Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and today it's an intense workout like usual, and what we're going to do is the triceps and chest combination, and it's not a combination separately, it's going to be combined into one exercise, and we're going to do 6 plus 2. So what we're going to do, the first 6 exercise is a combination of chest and triceps, and then we are going to move into abs. The last 2 exercises is going to be abs. Again, it might be a triceps based ab exercise. We will try to push the triceps again. We'll see. We'll find out. All right. Yeah. We're going to do now in the first exercise, we are going to combine the chest and triceps together and work out. So it's going to be a little intense. It is difficult. Yesterday's exercise was a combination of biceps and shoulders. So we missed shooting that, but then this is an addition to you. So you probably watch that later. Now I'll show you the first exercise. The first exercise is going to be taking the dumbbell. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The eccentric loading is slow, okay? So the concentric is fast, the triceps, okay? Then slow eccentric loading, okay? So that's the first thing. The next exercise, again, the chest and triceps circuit continues. So the next exercise is pretty interesting. It's a little difficult, very confusing. So they are all confused. They are doing the second set. Now, what you need to do is up, then bear hug, okay? Then get your dumbbell in and press it out for the triceps and bring it down. So it's up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, this is the third exercise, so it's going intense, the chest and triceps workout. So what we're going to do next is a little interesting, but then it's tough as well. So it's functionally good. So what would you do? You will pick up something and give it to somebody, right? So that's exactly what you're going to do. Functionally, you're going to do this and give it to somebody, bring it back. So that's what. So you're going to do the chest, okay, by pressing it out, and the triceps, and press the triceps out, okay, and bring it down. That's all I want you to do. So you're going to do all the exercise, 1 minute, 1 minute rest, 3 sets of it. So that's what the workout is all about. Alright guys, if you've been watching this video till now, like, share, subscribe and send it to your friends. Ask questions and we will help you out with any exercise you need or any rehab you need, and we will help you out with any questions or queries on diet, nutrition, health and fitness. Start asking. This is the 4th exercise, and what we're doing now, we're continuing with the chest and triceps circuit. This is an intense workout, so the 4th exercise is given a lot of leeway of getting your triceps crushed. Now, what we're doing is a straight arm pullover, so in combination with the triceps. So what we're going to do is take the dumbbell, so keep your elbows right next to your ribs, don't collapse your arm, keep it wide open, press it out, and then take it up, then drop your triceps, and bring it back, and then drop your hand. So you're going to do it lying down. I'm doing it standing up, and take a considerably heavy weight doing this, and because this is some exercise which you can do with heavy weights. Alright guys, the fifth exercise out of the 6. Okay, so this is a chest and triceps combination. This is a well-known exercise. It's a modification of the skull crusher. So what we're going to do now, you're going to lie down and do this. Now, take your elbow to 45 degrees, okay, and then bring it down and up. Now, if you see my hand, I'm not holding the dumbbell, and take a considerably heavy weight so that you have to add the pressure from the side, and bring your elbow down, the palm down, and press it up. So this is what you're going to do lying down, and that's the next exercise for the chest and triceps combination. Guys, the session is almost ending. The last but one exercise, and what you're going to do is the first ab exercise of the session. So what you're going to do is position yourself in the dead bug position, reach out to your toes from where you're lying down. When you're doing that, start from here. So I don't want the dead bug position to be like this, but start from here, then reach out your hand. Doctor is going to show you the demo. So what he's doing is 1, 2, 3, 4, go on for a minute and 1 minute rest, and repeat that for 3 sets, and it's engaging. Exercise is on the floor again, the last exercise of the ab exercise. So we finished 6 chest exercise and 2 ab exercises. The second one is this. So on the floor, you lie down, then fold your knee and then hug the knee together. So that's what we're going to do. So from the floor, yes doctor, you can show us the demo. So hug and drop. Okay, so that's the next exercise. You're going to continue it for 1 minute and 3 sets. That's what the next Thanks for watching till the end, and please do subscribe, share and like. Tell your friends about it and tell them if you need any exercise or any recovery or any kind of rehab, write to us and we'll help you out. Thank you. Bye.